you gotta put some muscle in it, and you gotta really squeeze it. Well, this shit is not. That's why I said I need to swap out these clamps to the other ones, and then I won't be going through this nonsense, which is not too bad, but it's bad, cause you know. So I think our fitment right here is screwing a little bit more. I think perfecto, kind of like where it was. Right. And this is in properly, and okay, we can release the clamp tool. Release right here, upper hose, bottom. Right here, screwdriver, people. 1, 2, 3. See, that's what I'm saying. Look, 1, 2, 3. You got to do all that extra terrestrial, like, shit just like kill my vibe with these antifreeze. Like, trying to have a clean look, homie. With you. Alright, so now we got that in. Now let's return the airbox back into place. This airbox is a little funny. How you getting on, cause it has, let me see. It got 1, 2, and this one came out. So this one is here, right? So I guess I'm gonna have to take it out. So that one goes in the bottom, and it goes in here. So let's get this in here, if we could. Alright, so this now, let's get this out the way. Whoa. Let's get this. Alright, we have to put this up there, people. So, this airbox have to go in a certain position, right? You gotta line up. I need more light, so I can't see. So, what the hell is this? Alright, is the airbox down, is it down? Alright, so it's down, but I gotta make sure that